How to know someone is online on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. After you've opened Instagram, you will need to turn on one settings. To do that, go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right. In here, simply scroll down till you find messages and story replies and click on it. In here, click on Show Activity Status. After you've clicked on Show Activity Status, turn on Show Activity Status. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you've done that, you can simply go to your Instagram DMs and you will be able to see if anybody is online. To see if they're online, they should also turn on this setting. If it's not turned on, you won't be able to see if they're online or not. This is how to know if someone is online on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.